Yo, I really can't believe I did this, y'all. I should have never did this. Would you guys enter a raffle for my SRTG? Let me know in the comment section below. Would you enter a raffle for my SRTG? What's up, y'all? It's your boy SRT BUBZ, and I'm back with another banger for y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. I appreciate y'all for clicking on my video, man. If you're new to the channel, go down, hit that subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you get notified every single time I post. I read the title, you know exactly why you're here. The Jeep is about to look a little different, so let me go outside, give y'all a walk around right now before I change it up real quick. So here y'all go. Y'all know I got the green stripes, carbon fiber wrapped hook. It's carbon fiber everywhere, but it's coming up a little bit, as you see. Also, the stripe on the front is coming up a little bit. This down here is peeling. All of this is from like regular wear and tear from the winter time. So the weather's getting nice, and now that that's all messed up and stuff, I'm thinking I'm about to switch it up. I'm gonna show y'all the back too. Show y'all the back. So you see the stripe right here is peeling, lifting up a little bit. Up here, same thing. So yeah, it's just regular wear and tear. So I think I'm about to just take it off and show y'all what it looked like. Basically how it was before I put the stripes on there. Because before I still had the carbon fiber trunk and the carbon fiber hood. But yeah, I'm about to take these. I'm about to go get my chair out, switch it up for y'all real quick. Let's go. So for one, I know that I'm not doing this right. I need a heat gun, I need all of that stuff. But this wrap is like a real thick wrap, so it kind of peels off pretty easy. So it's hot out today. I shouldn't need the heat gun. So I got the plate off, as y'all can see, and I'm about to just start peeling, I guess, right? That's all I gotta do. Gotta show y'all. Closer. Green stripe. Damn, so I gotta start this one down too. Yeah, I just keep peeling away. Oh, the handles. Should I keep it like that, y'all? I don't know, should I keep it like that? Definitely gotta take this one off. This definitely gotta come off. So yeah, y'all see it's like a whole holographic film. Like I said, it's like real thick paper, so it's easy to come off. Man. Yo. Yeah. ASMR. Look at that holographic though. That shit looks crazy. I'm not ready to do this at all. The end of an era. The end of an era. But alright, y'all, that's all the green that was on the Jeep. It wasn't too much green. The stripes didn't go all the way back, but I mean, it's how my Jeep used to look. If y'all was following me before, if y'all see my old videos, same look, except I only changed the Brembos and put the different sticker on, basically. I had the carbon trunk, like I said, and the carbon hood already. But yeah, giving me a little nostalgia, man. It looks good. It looks so good. A little calm, out the way, a little more low key. That green was real bright. I showed y'all that holographic was real bright. So I'm about to go to the wash real quick, get it cleaned up, and then show y'all what it look like. Let's go. I want to say that it feels different driving the Jeep, knowing that I got the stripes off of it, because the stripes was like really bright. It reflected a lot in the sun. Like you could see the green from a mile away, damn near literally. So driving it now, it's weird because it feels like I'm a lot more low key kind of, but still, I mean, I'm still loud, but I just don't got them bright green stripes on it no more. I'm excited to show y'all what it look like, man. It looks so good. So good, so clean. Really remind me how it used to look. Tell me why I'm pulling into the wash. I see one 300 right here, black, and there's another one behind me pulling up with the black tinted headlights. That shit be tough. Oh, he going to that shit fine. But yeah, I'm about to go through the wash, man. You know she tired of him right now. Got her standing outside because he got to wait down the mats. She got to wait. I didn't know, dude. She got to wait real quick. Let you get things right first. Alright, so before I even show y'all the Jeep, I need you guys to answer this question for me. Would you guys enter a raffle for my SRT Jeep? Let me know in the comment section below. Would you enter a raffle for my SRT Jeep? I'm thinking about doing $20 or $25 tickets and 5,000 total tickets, and letting a supporter or somebody get the car for possibly $25. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about that. I want to do mad stuff with the raffle. I want to do vids. I want to do a giveaway video, go live, do a whole... I'm thinking about doing cash prizes for second and third, possibly fourth and fifth place. So y'all need to let me know if y'all will enter a raffle for my SRT Jeep. Alright, so I'm about ready to show y'all the car. I'm gonna pull over, park up, and reveal how the Jeep look, man. Let's go. Here y'all go. Back to the basics. Look crazy different with the green, man. Remind me of the old, but it just don't got the red calipers. I got the green now. Damn, I'ma miss that green stripe, man. It's way more low-key now. But I'm for sure gonna miss the stripes on it, man. Look good, though. Like I said, y'all, let me know in the comment section below. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway for my Jeep. Comment down below what you guys think. If you guys are into the raffle, I'm thinking about doing $20 or $25 tickets, 5K total tickets. Let me know in the comment section below, would you guys join? Yeah, follow me on my socials at SRT BUBZ everywhere. And yeah, like I said, I'm thinking about doing a raffle for my SRT Jeep. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Thinking about doing $20 or $25 tickets, 5K total tickets. Gonna go till we sell out. You guys let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys follow me on my socials at SRT BUBZ everywhere, at Bad Luck BUBZ on Twitch. Make sure you guys go down, get this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you get notified every single time I post. And I appreciate all of y'all for watching this video. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Peace.